It's waffle time. Fonseca, the man, has up 2018 Sexy Bird and 2020. Winner takes both. Good luck, everyone. 1 through 35. Here's our list. $12.42. One more. Here we are. All right, fresh random. 1 through 35. Here's secure lock and the valid certificate. We are all set. Good luck once again. 2 Sexy Birds, 1 winner. Bookend. Lucky number 1. Top of the list. Got a winner. At 12.42, just switched over to 12.43. Top of the list. Zachary, congratulations, Zachary Glaser. I'm gonna say. Zachary, congrats, winner. Have a great day, everyone. 12.43.